It's a celebration about our team. This is the first time that we're actually getting to know them and getting to experience a team member event, which is absolutely fantastic. We just bought the business a few months ago, and this is a wonderful time to come together to celebrate the holidays, but also, just as importantly, to talk about the future and what we want to do with KFC Aruba. The greatest part about KFC Aruba is that the food is absolutely fantastic. Everybody loves KFC. And as such, we looked at this as a great opportunity to take our experience of 30 years and bring it to Aruba to really elevate the KFC brand in Aruba for all consumers. You can expect a revitalized brand, something that I think that consumers will be proud of in terms of the speed, the food taste, but most importantly is the team giving absolutely wonderful customer service. That's what you can expect from the brand. We are aware of the challenges, no doubt about it. But I think what we want to talk about today is the future. And the future is our people, our belief in people and what they can achieve, taking some of our success in other countries where we take people along with us. We mentor them, we train them, and this will be our major focus as we move into 2025 to improve operations, improve customer service, and improve the overall general experience that one gets at KFC.